In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset TraderVue. Now, to actually reset your account, you typically need to basically delete all your existing trades and just re-import clean data and then also reset your settings. So let me show you how to do this. The easiest way is to go to the trade section over here on the left and then just delete all of your trades over here. Now, the first way you can do this, of course, is just by clicking on a specific trade, and then you can go ahead and click on this button up top, which is basically the trash can icon, and click on it, and then click OK when it asks you if you want to delete the trade, and then it will delete the trade that way. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to get removed, and you can do this for all the trades. Now, of course, you can also go over here to the right-hand side where it says Customize Columns, and click on that, and here you can reset the defaults, which will basically reset all your columns to defaults, and then basically it's like starting over, okay? So whenever you delete all these trades, of course, everything will get wiped. So for example, if I remove this one over here as well, and if I click OK, you're going to be able to see I'm going to have a fresh dashboard. There we go. It says you don't have any trades yet. If I go to dashboard, it's empty. There's nothing here. And yeah, that's how you can essentially like reset your account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.